Learn to turn a flashlight in just 3 minutes. First, let's give a brief overview. Introduction to the system interface. The system interface is divided into 10 areas: alarm information display and machine running status display, processing progress and time display, selection of manual cutting and automatic cutting modes, main processing menu areas, the current processing technology, display of external button linkage device, such as hand wheel speed adjustment, rapid traverse and spindle speed adjustment, display of absolute coordinates and relative coordinates, current processing technology data input, tool offset and tool compensation input areas, general settings and technical diagnosis areas, such as languages, standard units like diameter and radius, programming methods, etc. Next, we will conduct a practical operation demonstration. Select the automatic cycling mode. Click the H icon and select the step shaft process under the arc process. Create 2 step shafts. Select the corresponding step shafts in sequence from right to left. Select the first step and choose the right arc mode. L stands for the cutting leg. Phi1 stands for the left diameter of the bar. Select the second step and enter the corresponding parameters. Enter the parameters of the overall bar. TD stands for the single feed rate in diameter mode. F stands for the tool feed rate. Open the finishing allowance button. XD stands for the X-axis finish machining allowance. Z stands for the Z-axis finish machining allowance. FP stands for the finishing allowance. Feed rate. Save the data after entering it.